As a part of our Filipino tradition, I also collected 12 different fruits for the New Year's Eve. Sven was actually excited because this is the first time that he experienced something like this. They don't have this kind of traditions in Germany. And this money that you see or you're seeing now in my pineapple, these are the money that part of my collections. These are the money that I collected from different countries, wherever I go as a souvenir. Or when I met international people like during my German course. So yes guys, these are all my collections. And of course, I do really miss a lot the Filipino ways of celebrating Christmas and New Year. And since we already have raclette or typical German traditions during our Christmas here in our home, I decided this time to just prepare Filipino food, a few Filipino food for our first New Year in our humble home.
It's time to eat, guys. Look, fish. We only have fish and his lumpia or spring onion na sunog and chicken. Well, look. Kasi kaming dalawa lang, so that's why I decided to cook Filipino food only, to prepare Filipino food only. He needs to learn. Because if we go in the Philippines, we don't eat bread for dinner and not always potatoes and noodles or spaghetti, rice. He needs to learn that. That's why. But he's eating it. Yep.
You guys don't know.
Okay. Good. Good. Doon kasi kami kagabi guys sa parents niya, sa in-laws niya. Kagabi namin pinipipare, pero yung lumpia, ngayon ko lang pinipare. Pero kagabi pa namin ko lahat pinipare, except sa isa. Kaso doon kami nag-dinner sa parents niya. Yan. Kaya hindi kami nakakain. Baguhin namin dito sa gabi. Lasing na. Anong nawa naman. Nood na lang kami ng kumain lang kami kagabi ng salata at tulog na. Kaya ito, January 1 tanghalian. Pero yung prepare ko lang talaga. Kasi nakikita niyo. Puro Pinoy food. Kailangan niyang matuto. Kumakain naman ko yun, walang problema.
And also guys, maybe you're wondering if why I only prepared 3 menus. It's because on my 4 years of staying in Germany, I already learned to only prepare what is enough and don't cook too much.
Fruit salad, not lettuce salad. I made the fruit salad. So, kanske smakstort. Kom med. No.
Inches later.
Here, by the way guys, in Germany, most of the people, they choose to drink champagne during the New Year's Eve. But of course, not everyone is liking that. There are also a few who wants to just drink wine instead of champagne.
hour later.
To be honest, guys, this was our first time to make a spring rolls together. That's why we were a little bit excited and nervous if what will be the outcome. But I was still happy because it seems like my neighbor and Sivan family or my in-laws like it. They really like the spring rolls and the fruit salad. So it was worth it at least.
Inches later.
At this moment, we were busy looking for a Tupperware or a container where I could use to put the spring rolls and the fruit salad to share it to our neighbor and to his parents, because I decided to just give it to them like this, so it's all up to them to cook it whenever they want
The next
to
step.
eat this. So this is how simple we celebrated the first New Year in our humble home, and I know all of you guys who are living abroad just like me could relate with me. Please let me hear about you guys. Please leave me a comment below. I wanna know also if how did you prepared or how did you celebrate the Christmas and New Year 2020. So cheers to all of us guys. I'm wishing you all a wonderful New Year 2021. Please stay safe, and also if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so I'll get connected. Please let me hear about you all. Stay safe and God bless. See you next time. Bye.